Alrighty, got the motorhome all fired up and just got to go around and do my safety check. Check to make sure all the bay doors are secure. Definitely this refrigerator. Got to make sure that that's secure. Water heater, make sure that's secure. A little noisy, I'm sure. But over here, got to make sure this is locked. There we go. Make sure the bay doors is locked. Push on them. Slide looks good, nice and tight. Just wait for the airbags to get up to there. Looking pretty good there, as you can see, the space. Check under the motorhome to make sure the jacks are up. Yep, jacks are up. We're off to the beach. Coming over the Hampton Bridge. There's a campground over there. We're gonna stay in the overflow. And it looks like there's people coming in. Well, it looks like we'll be in site number 3, so my wife really wanted us to get in by the fence over there, and looks like we did it. Now comes the fun part of backing up into that spot over there in between that camper and that truck and that picnic table. Hopefully I'll be able to do it. I got no one to help me, so it's going to be up to me and the mirrors. All backed in, and I have to be 18 inches from that white line. And I think I did pretty darn good all by myself. I just had to back up and pull forward once. So I'm pretty proud of that. May the weekend begin. Got the screens on, black screens. Pretty good job. Pleased with it, came out nice. Windshield wiper protectors. Chrome rearview mirrors. A little dirty here, so slide is out. Good to go.